Hello, and I hope you're doing well. On this video, we're going to take a look at this Home Decorators Collection Wesley Park LED chandelier. And it looks like this, like a halo that's hanging from the ceiling. And it's because it's supported by 3 wires that go from the ceiling to the light. Here is the model number, I think. And it does have LEDs inside, so there's no changing light bulbs. So let's take a look. As you can see, there are some instructions, use and care. Here you have inspection result summary, the parts that are included, use and care. And there's a 1-800 number just in case you have any questions. Here's the model number right there. Limited warranty, tools that you might need, hardware included, and this is what it looks like. Instructions on how to install it. Step 1, step 2, step 3 and 4. It's in Spanish too. And here is the light. Here is the hardware so you can install it. Seems easy enough. And this light is adjustable, so you can hang it as low as you need to or as high as you need to. And I'll show you how. These wires here, they're in here, but you can make them longer or shorter. If you want to make them shorter, all you gotta do is push this in and that's it. Once you hang it, it doesn't come out unless you push this right here in, then you can pull the wire out, so that way you can make it lower. All you need is these 2 wires and the ground right here, and these 3 wires are very thin. That's how thin they are. On one of these it's the light, I think it's this one right here, and the other 2 are just for support. And here is what the light looks like. It's not glass, it's something else. And this is the nice and shade. And if you take a look at it closer, you can see the LEDs in there. There are plenty of LEDs inside. And this is what's gonna hang down like that. And on the other side is just where the light fixture hangs. It looks very nice. As for putting it together, you have this bracket. You're gonna put the screw from the indented side in, and then you're gonna put the nut on the other side, and you're gonna do the same to this side. This is what you get. So you're gonna put them both here, and it's gonna look like that at the end. And these are going to hold the chandelier, but for the time being, this is going to your light socket. The lights have been turned off to the light fixture, and right now all I have to do is put this bracket that we just put the screws on and put it into your socket. So we could put it through here and on the next one like that. And according to the holes that are on your junction box. There's 2 on mine. You gotta figure out where to put it on these. So mine, I think they're gonna go in the middle ones. But if you have a different socket, then it'll probably go somewhere else. Maybe out here, maybe the one in the middle. But you just figure that out as you see the 2 holes that are in there. That's the way it fits on mine. We're gonna screw these all the way in. And there they are. They're already screwed in there. So all you have is the 2 screws that are sticking out and the cables, of course. On the lamp, figure out how long or how short the cables are going to be. I'll put it short, see what it looks like. Of course, if you have all this cable to make it very long, so you can put it closer to your table or wherever you're gonna put this light in. But I'm gonna put it pretty high to see what it looks like. So once you put the cables in here, what you're gonna use are the power cables that are here. The black, white, and the ground. The ground is gonna go here, and then you have the other 2 cables. You're gonna make sure that you put the cables together with the ties and the ground, and then you're gonna put these screws through here. The screws are pretty short. They basically just are the right length to put the caps on, so it gave me a hard time to put them on there. But as you can see, the light is there and it's a little bit off, but we can fix that. And the way you fix that is the same way. You push this and you pull the wire or the cable. And I left a little bit of it inside just in case it was crooked. There it is. I think it's even. And that's what it looks like. It looks nice while it's off. It looks like it's floating. And as you can see, I made it short. So let's turn it on. And that's what it looks like. It looks pretty cool. It looks nice, elegant. And from the bottom. And this is equivalent to 100 watts. It has a warm white color and it only uses about 24 watts. Once it's installed, it looks like it's floating. The light is dimmable. It is bright. I like the way it looks. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it helps you in some way and enjoy.